Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today, we've got Jada's Fast and Furious 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 in the 124 scale. Let's take a closer look at this beauty. On the front, you've got the big Fast and Furious branding with Vin Diesel featured in the corner and the Camaro displayed in all its glory. Even before opening, this one looks like it's ready to hit the track. Straight out of the box, first thing that grabs you is that deep candy red paint with the white racing stripes running down the center. Add in the bold #1 racing decal on the doors, and you'll know this Camaro was built for speed. From the front, the Z28 badge pops right on the grille with that classic chrome bumper shining bright. Along the sides, it has that vintage Z28 and Camaro emblems right on the front fenders. And then check this out. Side exhausts tucked under the rocker panels, making this ride look even meaner. And how about these wheels? Gold multi-spoke rims with low-profile tires give it a serious race stance. The way this Camaro sits low to the ground, it looks track-ready straight out of the box. Both doors open up, revealing a black interior with bucket seats, dashboard detail, and gauges on the cluster. Even at 124 scale, Jada nailed the interior touches. Now pop that hood up, and there it is. A chromed-out motor with a red block and silver accents. The detailing under here matches perfectly with the aggressive look of the car. And on the back, you've got the Z28 badge, chrome bumper, molded taillights, and the Fast and Furious license plate to wrap it all up. So, that's all we have for today. Let us know what your thoughts were on this bad boy Camaro in the comments. Also stay tuned for next time we'll be showing Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR from the Fast and Furious series. You won't want to miss it. So if you've enjoyed this video, go and check out our other cool rides that we have right here on Diecast Speedway. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.